Hey Tanner, how are you today? Puddy, there's Tanner. There's Tanner. Hi. Hello, neighbor. Yeah, that's your neighbor. Meet your neighbor, Tanner. Tanner, meet Puddy. What? She's nice. Or he's nice. Tanner's nice, and Puddy's nice. Look at Tanner's tail. And Tanner doesn't even bark or anything. You're a good dog, Tanner. You're a good dog. They're talking to each other with their bodies right now.
I know.
Tanner would love to play. Uh-oh. Tanner had to go.
Weird right now.
She's happy.
Oh, she's happy to see you.
Yeah, that's my neighbor's new dog.
Oh, she loves you.
That's the only time Tanner talked.
What?
Does Tanner go riding with him?
Riding? No, he's still, they can't play yet.
What was that, Puddy? What was that? Uh-oh. Tanner's getting a bath. You probably need one too.
Mm-hmm. Just stinky.
Man, Tanner's like the perfect neighbor. Tanner is the perfect neighbor.
She's like, I'm gonna play with somebody.
When Tanner was a puppy, Tanner would come through here. They didn't have that mesh. Come to our gate and walk out. So they had to put it all along theirs. And that's what we had to do because Puddy can walk right through this, any part of that gate. How about it?
Good, she just left that alone. Just chewed it, so.
I like how
Is
she's.
that a rock?
I think she is. She's very intelligent, so she chews on the rocks of this.
I need to get her a couple toys out here. I'll go grab some.
There you go. There's your neighbor.
Hey, Puddy.
There's your neighbor.
You good girl?
If she nips at you,
Oh,
make a sound like a ow. You know, like make it a sharp sound.
Oh, yeah.
Like it hurt
Okay.
you.
Hi. Oh, silly. Oh, yeah, so silly.
Yes, she is. Tanner's really good. Good job, Tanner.
Yeah, with, because my grandparents got a new dog this summer.
Yeah.
And he's really pretty small. He was about the same size as Puddy, and Tanner played really nice with him.
He's used to being around a little.
Yeah, because he was the runt of his litter. Oh, you're so silly today. You're so happy.
He had a long nap, or she had a long nap.
Oh, yeah? You had a
Now
long nap?
she's now she's using up her energy.
Yeah.
Old dog.
Yeah.
Look at you two. How old is Tanner again?
He just turned 2 not too long ago.
Oh, Tanner. You're 2 now. That went quick. They like each other. Oh, Puddy. Who is that?
Tanner's gonna be excited when he can finally
Oh, yeah. When they can
see her
play.
through the fence.
What is Tanner again?
He's a
King?
King Cavalier Charles Spaniel, I think, mixed with a poodle.
Oh, like you're a poodle something.
It's a long.
I like his hairdo.
He had a walk today, so he's super dirty.
Tanner, are you a hippie?
He's a hippie dog.
Yeah, he is.
You got a stick? You got a stick?
Oh my goodness.
You
Chewing
got a
on
stick,
everything.
No. No.
Yep.
bitey.
See, people don't like that when you chew on them. I gotta pull all these lines up.
Mm-hmm. Hey, don't chew on that, silly.
Goodness.
Don't chew on that. Don't chew on that. Look there.
There's Tanner. Hey, Tanner. Who is that?
Is that your friend? Is that your friend? Hey, Taylor?
Hello,
He
neighbor.
likes him.
Yeah, definitely. They like each other.
Yeah, Tanner. What do you think? What do you think?
She doesn't feel threatened at all.
But he gets all our shots, and then you can play together, Tanner.
Yep.
Yeah, a couple months. Yep, 1 or 2 months.
Now you guys are getting to know each other through your noses. Just through your nose. Who is that? Who is that over there? Is that Tanner? Good dog. What's up, Tanner? What's up, Tanner?
Puddy, what are you doing, Casey? What do you find?
Oh my goodness. She's getting her. This is like her evening spaz routine.
Hey, buddy. Oh, you jumpy. Jumpy. You're crazy.
Careful, little girl. She thinks she's bigger than she actually is.
He looks a lot bigger, but he's actually so small.
She's tiny.
He's so
Tanner.
tiny. Hi, buddy. Buddy, buddy, buddy. Hi, baby. Look at you. Oh, he's so jumpy. Hi, baby. Don't fall over.
We heated up that rice bag in the microwave.
I'm doing that tonight for sure.
I
First
put it
meeting
in for like
together.
2 minutes, and then
It's too hot. He said a minute and a half.
a minute and a half is like is really. It'd probably be better for her.
Okay.
She looks big in this
It's a
video,
little
but she
hard.
is
Yeah, she
definitely
looks
not
really
big.
Yeah.
He's so
I don't want to
tiny.
boil her in her little.
You're like-
Look, she's looking.
You're like this big.
Oh, there he is.
She's like,
Oh, how do I get over to him?
Yeah, we
Oh, we know what you're digging.
we put that in
oh, she's a
with
digger.
him
She's a digger.
in his little,
warm little
blanket,
blob.
whatever, and then
Yeah.
he would just go right over to it and lay down, snuggle in with it, and then he would sleep.
Aw.
So it felt like because they all
A
sleep
body.
with their siblings, right?
Yeah,
so it
she's
helps.
been in a kennel with hers. Yeah. It didn't seem like she was crying because she was missing anybody. I think she was annoyed that she was stuck in there and she was awake. It seemed like that.
You're not even in it. Are you gonna sleep through the night? Are you gonna sleep through the night? I need to know. Because last night was a little rough.
I don't wonder if she doesn't sleep through the night. She just needs to not cry through the night.
I'm sure it was rougher on you than it was on us, because you know you left your home and everything. But you seem pretty happy now, so maybe tonight you'll just sleep right through.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Not if she's getting a nap this early. She's so
What is that toy she's laying on?
It's one Dana sent over. It's like a crinkly
Patty was
cow.
a little cold, so
Oh,
oh my goodness, so Steph
she's
covered
so
her up.
cute. Tuck you in with my shirt.
I can't emphasize how small she really is. It's very, when you see the videos, because even the videos we take, it looks like she's a normal size. But
Were you cold, Aunt
She's-
Puddy?
she's a tiny puppy.
Look at her. She's just fine with people walking by.
Yeah.
Amazing. A dog coming by and she doesn't care.
There's a doggy. What is that? What is that? Hi, buddy.
That's a good dog too. He didn't care.
Well-mannered.
Wow.
You got a lot going on in your
We
neighborhood.
got a jackpot of a dog, huh?
Yep.
She's perfect.
Buddy, 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 buddy. So anyways, about tonight. It's funny how that little toy there, she's laying on it.
They remove crinkles.
Oh my goodness. Alright, you're cute. You are cute.
I feel so lucky. Just can't believe it.
Look at her.
She's like, what's that camera doing?
Oh my goodness.
Where were you? Where'd Where'd you go?
Oh my gosh. How can you be so cute? You want to snuggle.